What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Coco Knows. I'm here with an all-around update. This is just kind of a little bit of everything. So I'm going to start off with meal prep. So I know you guys have seen my video about me trying the meals from Whole Foods. And so I'm going to start off with that update first. So y'all, the meal prep choices I selected were chicken and salmon for my vegetables. And the salmon was okay. It wasn't my favorite, but it was good. Now the chicken was seasoned just right. I think I would just buy the vegetables. The green beans was a no-go. They did not have enough seasoning. I did not like them. The sweet potatoes were okay. I think I would just pick my own sides separately and cook them on my own. I think it was good enough though if you just need something quick on the go, but it wasn't my favorite. But I will say, out of all the choices I made, the chicken was the best because you can prepare it in different ways. You can make wraps with it. You could have made a Caesar salad with it, like cut the chicken up, put it in a salad, or didn't have to be Caesar salad, it can be any kind of salad. So yeah, you could have done different things with it. Salmon, like I said, was okay. It was a little dry for me, but it was pretty good. Also, I realized that so I bought a lot of it, but by day 3, you can't eat food past 3 days because of the bacteria and all that stuff. So you had to freeze it. So I did freeze the chicken. I didn't freeze the salmon and other stuff. So I would do it again if I needed something really quick and on the go, but I wouldn't buy as much of it. So that's that. Next is update about Qsymia. So you guys, I am taking Qsymia again, but not regularly. So I call it maintenance type thing. So I take it every other day. And y'all, it has been kind of taking me through the ringer. So I was taking it daily, then I quit taking it daily because of the side effects. So the side effects have been through the roof for me. I've had which is normal, the extremely dry mouth, but then extremely emotional roller coaster that it has put me through has been crazy this time around. Also, and it could be that I'm not running as much, like don't have as much physical exercise, which is a big deal for mental health. So it could be that, but now I'm back into physical exercise, which that's gonna be my next update. I'll let you know in a minute about that. But a lot more tingling in my hands and feet this time around. And also a lot of consequences if you don't drink enough water. Now I'm always drinking out of this. I've had issues with my left backside. It hurts really bad, like when I don't drink a lot of water. That's why you run risk of getting kidney stones and bladder infections and all that stuff when you don't drink a lot of water and you're taking this medication. Also, you guys, before I felt like this, but now it's extremely I just feel like it's even exaggerated more. But the smell, I can smell Qsymia everywhere when I wash my hair, or when I move, I can smell it in my hair, smell it when I sweat. When I urinate, you can smell Qsymia everywhere, and it's just like, ugh, I don't like it. I don't think other people can smell it, but I can smell it, and it is starting to get on my nerves. But other than that, it's going great. I have lost 7 pounds so far on it, and things are going great. Also, I am working with a trainer. I'm doing weight training. I do weight training 3 times a week with a trainer. And then on the days that I'm not working with the trainer, I work alone, going to the gym. So fun fact, Planet Fitness has a trainer that comes with the gym. Utilize it, people. And it also has classes. So I go to the classes 3 times a week. I go right after work. and it's so fun. Also, utilize community, like going there and seeing the people and knowing like after work you're going to see the same people, and they're going to be accountable, help you to become accountable. You're going to have a good time with them. We're going to laugh, we're going to give life updates, we're going to have fun while we're working out. Like it motivates you. I really love it. So if you have a Planet Fitness in your area, you guys check it out, see if you can, like join in on one of the classes. Mine, Ty is my trainer and mine. Shout out to Ty. He is bomb. What else? I think that's really it. So I'm working out 3 times. Well, I'm working out daily, every day of the week. I've cut out sweets. I only eat it 1 time a week. So once a week, do I get a sweet once a week? And I try not to undo all the hard work that I do during the week. I try to close my rings on my Apple Watch. And that's been helping a lot too. Try to get in 10, either close on my rings or get at least 10,000 steps in a day, which has helped me a lot. And find someone that can hold you accountable. So I have a accountability partner who's always asking, did you walk today? Did you close your rings? What'd you eat? Like somebody who's always on me, so I can, or even if they forget, like I am able to text her and be like, hey, I did this today, or I did that today. And she's like, hey, good job. Like you're on it. Boom, boom, bam. I'm also trying to track, at one point I was trying to track my blood pressure to see if I can stop taking my blood pressure medication. But because of the fact that Qsymia raises your blood pressure, I was not able to do that because without my medication, my blood pressure is elevated. So I'm going to wait until I stop taking Qsymia, and then I'm going to try to come off of my blood pressure medication. So that's the goal, because I want to be healthy. The goal is that I eventually want to have children, and I don't want to be overweight like while pregnant. I don't want to have diabetes. I don't want to have all these things. I don't want to, gain all this weight and be unhealthy, because you already gained weight being pregnant. So I want to be able to just be healthy. And not only that, I want to also just be healthy in general so that my family doesn't have to take care of me because of a sickness that I could have avoided. So that's just my overall goal of being healthy in general. Anyways, so those are all my updates. If you have any questions, let me know down below. If any questions about Qsymia, I'm only on it for 6 months and then I'm off of it. I'm learning new recipes. Y'all stick around for that. I'm going to start recording the recipes that I'm learning. So that's my new venture. Stick around. If you have questions, let me know. Talk to y'all later. Love you. Bye. Oh, I know you're lying.